Hey guys and gals, Malkuth1974 back at you with another episode of our Space Engineers Let's Play Survival with Meteorites. Last time I left you, we were finishing off the shell of that ship, and I have pretty much finished the outside. The only thing I haven't done yet is weld up the glass here. I kind of went with this sort of strange look, but it's not really that strange. I actually like the look of the vessel. It's looking pretty well, but today we need to add a little bit of power to this vessel. Right here is going to be where the entrance for the ship is going to be. So the first thing we actually need to place is a door, and we are going to use the sliding door. So I'm going to grab that. I'm going to place that, make sure it's not upside down or sideways or whatever way it's trying to go right now. Let me try. Oh. So it seems like every episode I plan it just right for I run out of hydrogen. Hydrogen? No hydrogen. Let's just run out of hydrogen. Alright. Hopefully we'll get some hydrogen on that ship pretty soon and we won't have to worry about that anymore. We can just fuel up there and do everything we can from that place. I have been producing a few things. Hopefully they haven't had any issues. I haven't run anything. You can tell I do have some reactor components all set and ready to go. So let's put those in there. They should drop right down. Should fuel right up. Did I go buy them? I probably did. There we go. Grab that. Grab that. Alright, let's go. I'm probably going to need more than that is my guess. What do I got? I got that. So I'll probably need some computer parts. Some of that crap. And why can't I find it? Engines. Yes, engines. There we go. Not engines, motors. Motors. Engines and motors. What's the difference between an engine and a motor? Anybody know? Nothing! Okay, so let's just do this. And let's see if we get this right this time. Okay, so we upside down, upside up, right side around. Okay, so that's inner, that's outer. I'm pretty sure this is what we want. Let me grab this. Of course, it's not quite done yet, so we'll just worry about that later. So where are we going to put the reactors? This is the inside of the ship, inside of the hull where we need to fit everything. This right here is actually an oxygen tank. I actually forgot to put this in the ship, but now I remembered. But that's okay because this will help actually, hopefully, give us oxygen to this vessel when we need it. But right now I got to figure out where the heck are we going to put these reactors? Now this is the entrance, so we don't have a whole lot of room back here. So I'm pretty much sure I'm going to save this for gyroscopes. So down here we're going to have a couple reactors. Now I'm thinking I could put one there. So let me go into the reactor. It'd be a small reactor, but it'll be pretty dang good for us here. I want it to be connected. We gotta make this work. Okay, so it's connected to the conveyor, which is good. And we want it connected to the conveyor here too. So we gotta go like this. Maybe like this. Yeah, this one won't work out as well, but we'll kind of make it go sideways like that. So there we go. We have two of them. I'm not sure if I should have three or not, but enough reactor components there to not really worry about it. Oh, and I was one short there. I'm not quite sure if I have enough reactor components, but we're running off hydrogen, so we don't really need a whole lot of that. We also need batteries. So since this is going to be somewhat of the engine room, I take it we should probably put the batteries right here. So let's grab the batteries. We'll grab this one. We'll just put them right over the engine. And should we sort of put them... Do these have different looks to them? They do. Alright. So let's grab it like... Is that up? Okay, that's up. 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 I believe I planned for 3. Not 100% sure. So there we go. Batteries are in. Reactors are in. Let's go back and grab... Oh, so thank you very much to the people that pointed out to me. I asked for help. You guys helped me out. The reason why we couldn't get our ship, our remote ship that wasn't remoting very well last episode, to work, and I can't believe I actually forgot this, but if you push the O key, see how it says broadcasting on, broadcasting off? I must have shut it off at some point. Don't know why. But if that is off, you cannot communicate with that ship. So if I go to I, and I know it's not going to be there. It's going to be in the static grid, but we can still get it out. So static grid, we got to disconnect that. So let's get this thing working again. We'll put the thrusters on. We'll do the whole battery thing. And we'll go to the connector. We'll disconnect that connector. So we have to unlock it. Hopefully it just didn't explode because it fell. And yeah, it looks good from this point of view. So we'll go into remote access. We'll go to the welder ship. Also, somebody said that I can also set up the camera system through how all this works. But right now I'm just going to kind of take control of the ship. I don't want to get into all that right now. We're here. We're still connected, sort of, because that's the way this thing works. And 7. There we go. So let's see if we can actually do... You can see my guy right there. Hey, man, I'm just looking at myself. Because let's go on this side. Let's see if it'll actually reach through. Oh! Wow, it looks like it was working pretty hard there. Alright. I forgot to go grab the batteries, though. I did make some batteries, so let's go back down. And grab the batteries. Go to the 9. Oh, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but I did set this up. Did I have this last episode? I'm not 100% sure. Alright, so we're locked in. We will go to 7. That means we're locked. We'll go to inventory. I need to find battery packs. Did we get them all? Where'd they go? Where did they go? Yep, 330. I also made some engines. And we'll put those right there. Should be some more on the bottom, I guess. Yeah, I made 600. That will help us make those. Get back off here, go back to 1. We need to unlock, lift up, fly back over. Here we go. See why it's so much nicer? I should be able to do these windows too. Let's do the windows. Oh, I don't have windows. I don't have any of the window stuff in here. Well, that's a bunch of crap. Alright. So let's see if this will work. That should be hitting the batteries right now. And we did have the engines up here. We hit those. There's some more engines over here somewhere. Am I right? What about these? Do we have enough for these? No, I'm gonna need some more motors. Really? I'm out of motors again? No, they're not. Why won't these work? Oh well, whatever. We'll get out, we'll come and kind of look at here, see how well we did here. Oh, so look at that. Batteries are up and reactors are up. So let's put these batteries into battery 1, 2, 3. Main batteries. I don't know if I didn't spell that right. Yell at me. And we can put those into recharge. And we need to go grab some... Where am I? I'm lost. Oh, here we go. Need to go grab some... I forgot what I was going to grab. Ow! Okay. Well, don't run into stuff like that because that really hurts. That's really smart. What the heck was I going to grab? I don't know. Maybe we could look for some window stuff. I know I have the window stuff. Why won't they build? I gotta find out. Oh, I have some more of those. Alright. Do we need more steel? Maybe that's what it is. Production. make another 2,000 of those. Hopefully I have all the stuff. If not, we'll have to go out later and get some. Alright, so uranium. I need a bunch of uranium. We'll have to go mine some of that off camera a little bit. And I'm excited because we're going to be off this planet and we're going to get into the real nuts and bolts of space engineers pretty soon when we get to space and we can do all that wonderful stuff. Going to asteroids and building a base that is cool and stuff. Wait, what did I grab? And why did I... Oh, so the uranium, right. So we'll go here and I should see... I shouldn't be able to get to that one, so we'll just put like that. God, I hope that doesn't hit us. That'd be a terrible ending. Whoa, they sound close, don't they? Oh, so it's the steel girders I don't have. I must not have any more steel girders on there. Okay, that's fine. Whoa! So we have a reactor that should be powered up now. And I should be able to connect through here to the other reactor. Let's go reactor. Oh, I can't? Oh, because that... Why can't I connect? There's a conveyor over here. Is it not finished? It was not oh. I thought I was smart there, but I wasn't. Okay, here we go. What am I? Oh, I need reactor components. Oh, let's go grab that. Reactor components. Away! Let's not do that hit thing again that we just did. I'm like flying. Flying fast. There we go. So, reactors. I probably gotta make those. Let's make those reactors. Oh, what did it say I needed? Steel girders? Make 300 of those. Made a few of those. Inventory. So I'll grab a few dozen of those. Grab 10 of those. Wait. Why you no work? Do I not have too many? There we go. I don't quite need that many. I need a bunch of those though. Well, let's check that out. Alright. Come up here. Oh, I'll also take this time to thank everybody that's been supporting this channel. The channel has been actually growing. It's the fastest growing I've ever seen this channel in the many years I've been doing it. I hope that keeps up because that'll make me happy. Happy Malkuth. Okay, so we'll go like that. So yes, so thank you everybody that's supporting the channel. The comments down there, I love answering the comments. I try to answer every comment I can. If I don't answer it, I apologize. Doesn't mean I don't like you or anything. It probably just means that the baby's crying or something and I missed it or something silly like that. So I probably should have put the uranium in there before I did that, but I just want to make sure it's connected. So there we go. So both reactors are now up and running, and this vessel has power, ultimate power. So there we go. We get these windows done. And we'll get these windows done. And should I put a window here? Would that be cool having another window there? You guys know it would be, so I'm gonna add it anyway. I had a block there, but I locked myself out of my spaceship, so I had to break in. When I put the windows in, there was no way. So that's when I decided where the door was gonna be, which was over here. So I broke my way in, and now we have a door. See how that works? That's great. Glad you guys enjoyed that. All right, so let's get down here. Let's see if we can get that welding ship back. Kind of grab in there. We'll go remote access. We'll take control. We'll do this one thing, and I'll come down here. I wonder what else I'm missing for I can't do everything. We can sort of build it. Oh, go. Okay. All right. This thing doesn't have a whole lateral thrust or side thrust. I didn't really make it have that because I knew basically we'll be abandoning this vessel when all said is said and done. Did I just say that right? I don't even know. All is said and done. I don't know. Alright, so we got the girders here. What was I missing? I got girders, I got those, I got small steel tubes, I got computer components. Let's make some more computer components. 1, 2, we'll make 200. Oh, you know what it was? It was the construction components. The most annoying thing you have to keep building in. You always run out of construction components. You don't think you use a lot of it, but you actually do. It's kind of funny how it works that way. All right, so we'll grab some of those. So I got the computers in there. I'm sure I'm going to need more than 27, but it'll get us started. More like 427 probably. 24,000. We can go like that. 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 I wonder if I can grab them all at once. Can you grab more than one thing at once? Let's learn something. No, you can't. Oh, why would you? Oh, what'd I do? I broke the computer. I broke it. Alright, there we go. Alright. Well, let me see. That should be enough now, I think. Just to get us going. Maybe I'll grab some more girders. Steel girders. You gave me my steel girder. I want to wear my steel girder today. Nope, not gonna happen. Alright, here we go. So let's see if we can weld up the door. Hopefully that's in there, right? It looks good. Is it done? It looks done. Can't tell you if it's done or not. What about these? Can we finish up these atmospheric thrusters? Why? Oh, here we go. Nope, maybe not. So the atmospheric thrusters aren't finishing up. What about down here? Is there anything down here we can finish up? Oh, how about this hydrogen thruster? So what am I missing now? I got that, I got that, I got that, I got that. What in the world am I... I got motors. Alright, I gotta go figure out what the heck this thing wants. Why won't you finish? Metal grids. Laka. You wanted metal grids. Alright. I don't have metal grids, really? I mean, who runs out of metal grids? Alright, now I'll do this over. There we go. So, there we go. Did I actually finish this? Does this work? Oh, look, we have a working door. Nice. A working door. And working windows. And working power system. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. I'm an engineer. Alright, there we go. And do we have any of these stinky things? Yes, we do. Alright, I'll just kind of fly over here. We'll cheat it. Just want to stay away from that welder. Hopefully I don't die a horrible death. As I believe the welder is still on. I will put that in there. You see that? It finished it. But how much do we got left? Did that suck it all up? No, it didn't. Alright, we'll come down here. Inventory. Remote access. Did I hit O again? Damn it. I did. How did I do that? Alright, well at least you guys know now. At least you guys know. Remote access. Take control. 1. Alright. Ooh, I wonder what it just built. Side thrusters. Side ones. That one's built. And that one's built. Are they on? They should be on right now. They are on. I don't like how there's a hole right there, though. We have to fix that hole. Alright, let me... Because that won't help when we want to actually do cool stuff like oxygen. There should not be a hole here. This hole right here. Why you no work? Oh, you know why? It's because of that stinky... There's a stinky thing in here that doesn't show quite right. Or is there a piece right there? Aha! Haha! Me smarts. Okay, so... Are we good now? Are we good? We have I have no idea if these atmospheric thrusters are actually enough to keep this vessel afloat. They have to be enough because they have to actually get us up in the air. I have a total of 6. 6 of these babies ready to go. If we need to add more, we can. Where I would add them, nobody knows, but you know, that's the way it goes. So there we go. The ship is almost ready. We do need one more thing though, and that is a connector. A connector that connects things. What's this? This is a conveyor junction. Do I have a conveyor in here? I should, I believe. Ah, we don't. But what we do have is this piece of junk. So we can go like this, add that. Of course, we don't have enough. And what we can do is go to G, go to actually, would that be bad having that right next to the engine? What do you guys think? Engines can damage you. Keep that in mind. And damage ships. Bad design flaw, maybe? Maybe not. Let's go, let's put that back. Let's remember that conveyor system isn't hooked up. Maybe we should go with a connector on the side. Maybe that will work. What do you guys think? What is that? What is that? Oh, it's an atmospheric thruster. Gosh, darn it all. Alright. How about right here? Oh, it's gonna mess up my whole look. Oh. What is this? Why is it open like this? What is going on? Well, I could put a gyroscope in here. Let's get that in. Let's get that going. Gyro. You gotta find places to fit things. So sometimes you just have to look. And if we have a conveyor come out like here. You need interior plate. You need interior plate to do this because that's just the way it is. Well, give me some interior plate, you dirty scoundrel. Alright. Okay, I'm lost. I don't even know where I am. Is that on? Oh, that's gonna hurt if it's on. Okay, nope, it's not on. Alright. So, we will bring you out. Why do you not like me? Why do you mock me so? Okay, so like that. Like that. And conveyor. Let's see. No, connector. A connector. Oh, how would that work? Does that even look like it'll work? You need steel plate. Yeah, you dirty scoundrels. Okay, so steel plates. How much steel plates you got? You got 100 less now. All right, so steel plate. Is it upside down, upright? I like it like that. I like it like that. Oh, big old freeze. All right, so that could have hurt. Now we'll go into inventory, remote access, welder ship, take control 1. Bing bang boom. Whoa, we almost had a bad day there. Come on, come on. Weld up, baby. Do we need to get a little bit deeper in there? Are you good? Oh, you're good. Oh, you're not good though. Why are you no good? Okay. I think we're good here. I think we're good here. I think we're good here. Oh, yes. We seem to be on a roll. So there you go, guys. The ship is ready. What we need to do now is we need to start loading it up with hydrogen. And then we can do the test if it actually floats or not. And get those hydrogen engines on. But as always, guys, you know, that's for another episode. I hate to leave you now. But I'll be back. You know I will. This is Malkuth 1974. Make sure you hit that like button because, believe it or not, that like button is what makes the whole YouTube universe roll in favor of Malkuth 1974. So, till then, guys, Malkuth out.